Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by preparing the system so updates can run without interruption. Free up about 10 GB by clearing temp, recycle bin, and downloads. This prevents installation failures. Once done, make sure your laptop is plugged in and on a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection to avoid mid-install power or network drops. Temporarily pause third-party antivirus. Windows Defender can handle scans, because some security suites block update files. After pausing, open Settings and go to Windows Update to start checking for updates. You now tackle the middle steps that resolve common update blocks. Start the Windows Update Troubleshooter in Settings. It finds and repairs corrupt configurations automatically. Next, restart key services, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Cryptographic Services, and the Windows Update Service, because stalled services often cause 0x8024A008 errors. If that fails, open an admin PowerShell and reset update components. Stop services, rename software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders, then restart services. These steps clear caches and let Windows re-download update packages cleanly. You finish by installing updates and completing final checks. Apply available updates, then reboot once. Some installs need a second reboot, so restart a second time to finalize drivers and features. After success, confirm an update history and re-enable your antivirus and original network settings. If updates still fail, use the Media Creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade or repair. This preserves files and fixes deep OS issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if a specific update repeatedly fails, note its KB number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.